So we had purchased this Flagstaff high wall 29SC. We purchased it used, and when we bought it, I saw the solar ready. And I thought, that's fantastic, because there are times, we go out, we're not always staying in a place that has electricity. And so I thought, all right, I wonder, this would be pretty cool. This would be a nice feature to have. And we can use it when we're out and about. It'll be able to charge up the battery. We also have one of the Goal Zeros that we used for our phones when we're not tied to electricity, etc. Some fans inside the camper. But for the life of me, I could not find the plug for the solar, for this Zamp solar. I mean, I'm looking on the sides. I'm looking all up and down the side here of this thing, and I haven't got a clue. But I finally found it, and it took me a little while because I had to get underneath, and it is down here in the front, right here. So TP Solar is the kit that we purchased. This seems to be a really good kit. It comes with this. It's a foldable solar. As you see here, folds up, fits inside this bag. Also, on the flip side of it, it comes with a number of connectors, whether it's like straight connector into the battery, or I'll show you in just a second how it's connected to the trailer. But it's also got a number of different sizes that you can plug into. It's even got one that connects into our Goal Zero battery, so we can charge it. USB connections. It's actually really great. The adapter kit that we got, I got this iGreeley. It's an adapter. I'll show that one to you as well. So I bought an adapter that connects to our TP Solar. This is our solar. It does a 120 watts. Seems to be doing an okay job. This is the first time using it on this camp trip. On this end down here, that's where everything plugs in. It's actually got a couple USBs. I did check them. They do work. They were charging cell phone. And then you got DC out there. It goes into the trailer. And right now I'm using it for the Goal Zero. So it's throwing in 47, 48 watts, 50. It was on 60, I think, a minute ago. So it's doing a good job. It's another good use. I said it's got all kinds of connections. We connected up to the trailer. It's doing a great job. Charged the battery this morning. And then all of a sudden it gets a little cloudy. And bam, 22. Just like that.